National Weather Service in Marquette has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Schoolcraft County and east central Upper Michigan, central Alger County and north central Upper Michigan, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Miners Castle, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Munising, Miners Castle, Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, Chapel Lake, Grand Island, Christmas, Cosino Lake, Beaver Lake, Grand Portal Point, Wetmore, Malstrand, and Van Meer. Here is the forecast for the next couple of days.